You guys, me from Team Tech here, back again, another video for you guys. It's been a minute since I got some new tech in the building, and this tech isn't even new. People reviewed it already and talked about it, but I haven't, because I'm new to this and I haven't got it yet, and I want to talk about it. So, we got the Amazon Echo Studio. It's big. It's a lot bigger than the Echo 2nd Gen that I got on my nightstand. This is going to take up a lot of space on my nightstand, and it's also going to fill up this little bitty room that I'm in. I should put it in the living room, but my mom's not about that. But when I get my own place, we're going to be about that. But for now, this little party speaker, I'm going to call it a party speaker, this high fidelity, high quality, high audio speaker is going to be in my room. So we're going to talk about the design. We're definitely going to check out how it sounds. And yeah, let's get to it. So we got the orange light on, the orange ring here. You just missed the immersive audio that came out of here. That's my bad. I did look up the weight. This thing is about 9.6 pounds. It's huge. For the way it's dimensioned and stuff like that, being a big ass cylinder that it is, it's huge. So we're gonna go into the Alexa app and start pairing this device. I'm gonna screen record on my phone instead of doing this because that's just stupid. So I'm gonna screen record from here, and then we will set up the device. So we go to devices, go to Echo Alexa. Alright, so as you can see, Echo Studio can be set up. I'll just put that in front of the phone real quick, even though you can see the screen recording as well. So Echo Studio is being set up. Continue. Searching for devices. Select Wi-Fi network. Probably should turn my Wi-Fi on. Select the Tina network, which is my mother's name. I'll just have some random Wi-Fi named Tina. Not no X's or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? We don't reminisce over here. We don't do that here. So now it's connecting with Echo Studio. Orange light still commencing, but man, you should have heard that intro. It was like a theater experience, man. I might just pair this with my Apple TV and hopefully there's no audio lag. So we'll test that out for sure, because we don't like no audio lag. We don't do that here either. If there's audio lag, we send you back from where you came. No matter how good you sound. We don't do audio lag in 2020.
Just a moment while I tune your Echo to match the acoustics of this room.
Don't know how it's doing that, but it's doing it. Choosing the location. Man, this thing is loud.
Your Echo is ready. From now on, even if you move the device, it will automatically adjust to the acoustics of the new space.
Y'all hear that, right? That's what it's gonna do. No matter where you move it, it will adjust. So now it's looking for devices in the home. I do have a smart light lamp over here next to my Echo. Right next to my plush animals. Don't you judge me. Oh god, the camera fell. Oh, we're gonna have to cut that. But yeah, right up here. This is where my smart lamp is. Right up there. So it's still fine tuning. Still fine tuning. Hold on, man. Alright, we're gonna play royalty-free beats here. Adjust my legs. Oh, the light's falling apart. Stay put. Alright, technical difficulties. I can't play it too loud, my mom will get mad. This is how loud it can get. Now I'm gonna whisper and we're gonna see if you can hear me. Alexa. Ooh. Whisper test.
I don't know that one.
No, you don't know the whisper test. Alright. I'm gonna whisper again, very quietly. I'm gonna go far away on the other side of the room and see if you can hear me. I'm gonna whisper it. You guys won't be able to hear me, but we'll see. It did it, and my camera's swiveling. It's the power of my voice.
A response from an Amazon customer about Spec HD 960p Wi-Fi wireless security camera says, "Sorry that this wireless security camera would not swivel. Thanks. Was that helpful?"
No, it was not, but thank you.
Thanks for your feedback.
So now we're gonna do vocal samples. Here's some copyright-free music with vocals. I got connected to my Bluetooth on my iPhone, so the volume might be different. I have it maxed out on my iPhone, and then I got it on 50%. This is only at 50%. Mind you. About 65%. Right on the line, no. Losing it, I'll use the last thing I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Jump when I say jump, girl, can you take direction? Yeah, so that's the most I can do audio-wise without people in the house freaking out about how loud I have stuff playing, but hopefully that gives you an idea of how loud that thing can get. And I'm not even going to compare it to the second gen Echo, because you can tell by how small it is. It fills a room. Don't get me wrong, that small little thing fills a room. It gets loud. But this guy, I've tested a HomePod before in the store. I tested this in the store at Best Buy before I got it. And it sounded good. It sounded good, mind you. The vocals are clear. I just feel like the sound on this is more on the low end. It's got a lot of bass. I mean, it's got the subwoofers and it has that little gap in there so the bass fires down. There's like space for it to do its bass thing, but given the size of this, I expected a more three-dimensional sound, and it does have 360 audio, but I felt like the speakers should be firing in all directions. Like, you should have a speaker in the left, speaker in the right, speaker in the back, speaker forward, speaker going up top. You know, 360 dimensional sound to fill the cylinder. It feels like something's missing with this device, and it is only $150 on sale, which at Best Buy, which is fine. Because I'm not spending $300 on a HomePod. But because the HomePod, like, it's straight iOS. It only does Apple Music. You got Spotify and other services coming to it soon. It's got Siri in it. It's got you can't pair it as a Bluetooth device. That's the big no-no. Like, you can't use it as a Bluetooth device. It will only sync up to your iPhone and only play Spotify through AirPlay. And obviously Apple Music gets its priority because it's an Apple product. It's straight Apple. With the Echo, you can do anything with it. You can play all the streaming services you want. You can use it as a Bluetooth device. You can pair it with other objects. You can pair it with other Echo studios and get a stereo surround sound and pair it with a subwoofer. You can do all that. The HomePod, you can pair it with another HomePod, but it's not as versatile as the Echo device. But at the same time, the Echo device, I need to play with it more. I need to do more sound tests. But it sounds good. It gets nice and loud. It's very punchy. The vocals are there. I feel like they could be more clean and crisp. I haven't really played many songs with highs in it, but I gave you an audio test. I wish I could do popular music, but I will get dinged by YouTube for copyright infringement. I'm not going through that process of re-uploading videos again because of a copyright infringement. It's a pain in the butt, trust me. It's a pain in the butt to re-upload 4K videos. I don't do 1080p. I could do 1080p 60 frames per second, but I like recording 4K 24. That's just my preference. But yeah, we're gonna test audio latency, and hopefully I don't get dinged for copyright for showing you a clip of an anime that we're about to watch together. I'm about to turn on One Piece since that's the anime I'm currently watching. It was recommended to me to watch. I just finished Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. Loved it. I finished Hunter x Hunter not too long ago. I rewatched Naruto Shippuden because that is just phenomenal to me. I'm still watching Boruto. It's whack. It's getting better, but it's nowhere near on level of the manga. But that's anime talk. Let's get into the audio latency test, shall we?
Are you?
I'm Monkey D. Luffy. The only time a pirate should abandon his name is when he dies. I would never lose to a coward who ditches his name, betrays his friends, and runs from life on the sea.
Luffy? I never heard that name before.
You should remember my name for the rest of your lives. Because one of these days, I'm gonna be king of the pirates!
You are?
Now get out of here! And never come back!
So audio latency test, it did good. It was on par. I had to turn it up to max out the Apple TV, obviously, and then turn up the computer, Alex, to 65%, and then it sounded pretty good. I mean, I have the speaker on bedside, so when I'm laying in bed and watching, Netflix and streaming One Piece, I'll have the sound right by my ears. I am tempted to get another one. I don't know where I'd put it, but I would like to see, and I imagine it would sound phenomenal if I had another one on my right side to have a stereo speaker thing going. I'm pretty sure it would sound phenomenal. But it does sound pretty good for being the one speaker. I don't know if I could put it over my head to get that three-dimensional. All right, let me stop. Too many ideas, unrealistic. That thing's too heavy to do something like that. But yeah, this audio latency is fine. Mid-range is pushed forward a bit, but the vocals could be better. Bass is there when it needs to be because it's got the little subwoofer. Is it better than the HomePod? I don't know because I don't have a HomePod. But if anything, you would compare something like this to the Google Home Max and the HomePod. Certainly not the HomePod Mini. Echo Dot 4th generation, you can compare to HomePod Mini as they're literally almost the same shape, and they pretty much have the same concept going as a mini speaker. I think the Echo Dot 4th generation does have 3 speakers in it compared to HomePod Mini's 1, but it's still supposed to have that 360 sound, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, man, the Echo Studio sounds pretty good. It's just like any other Alexa device. If you have one when you're using it in the app, you go to devices to pair stuff and all that. I won't cover that in this video because I'm sure everyone has an Alexa device. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna swap out batteries real quick and then conclude this video for you. Alright, so we got a new battery in, but like I said, man, the Echo Studio for $150, it's a steal. It's a great sound quality smart speaker. It connects to all your smart devices. It has lots of skills you can choose from. You can stream from any music service. You can connect it as a Bluetooth device. As you can see, I paired it to my Apple TV and got to get sound coming from the speaker from there. So it's pretty good. For $150, it's a steal. It's literally half the price of the HomePod, which is like never on sale. I would get a HomePod if I was like strictly in the Apple ecosystem. I mean, I kind of am, but I still want to keep an open mind to other devices. Just because I have an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and an iPad doesn't mean I need to have everything be Apple and iOS based. I still have a gaming desktop, my good old Asus desktop, so I can do my gaming on my AAA games, which you can't really do on a Mac, but you can with I think it's called Boot Camp. But I'm not going through all the hassle of that. I like my Windows computer. It does what I need it to do. I have lots of needs that can be accomplished through Windows and not Mac OS. Though I do want to try Mac OS. God, my eyes are itchy. But I would like to try Mac OS for its like efficiency and just see how it is and see what the hubbub is about, since I have everything Apple kind of already going for me. But yeah, compared to the second generation Echo, obviously it's going to be better and a fuller sound. So I mean, for $150 you can cop this at Best Buy right now. On Amazon's website it is still $200 and it's on back order till December 21st. So good luck ordering this on Amazon. But at Best Buy it's $150. Go ahead and cop one if you can. I would recommend it. I haven't been messing with it that much, but I see the potential in here. I'm sure I could mess with some EQs somewhere within the Apple Music app, or I don't know if there's an EQ honestly, but there's EQs in the music apps that I use, so we'll see what we can do with that. But yeah, if you like what you saw, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell icon. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video is going to be about Powerbeats Pro and why I rebought them after using numerous pairs of other headphones. So stay tuned for that. Alright, Tamim Tech, Tamim, I'm out. Peace.